Hi guys, so today we're going to do lesson 4. We're going to start by going over the consonants we already know from previous lessons. So we start with the B, the bet, which is the B sound. Resh, which sounds as and lamed, which sounds as And we've also now learnt the A vowel, which sounds as A and takes the shape of any of them three symbols underneath any Hebrew consonant. So today we're going to learn a new consonant, and we're going to learn the letter M. So this is the letter Mem, is the name of it, and it sounds as M. So if you want to go writing it and saying the sound as you write it, M, 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 and Mem, Mem, Mem. Get familiar and just learn the shape of it. Mem is the 13th letter of the Hebrew alphabet, and it's written in two ways. So guys, in Hebrew, there's 5 letters that take on a different form at the end of a word. So this is one of them. So this is the letter Mem. And at the end of a word, it takes on a form like this. So the square form of the letter Mem is only used at the end of a word, and it's called Mem Sofit, or final M. Right, no vowels are added to final M either. Right, so we'll have a go writing the Mem with some with the A vowel. Okay, so let's do the first one. So this is the letter M. So it's a sound. So you say the sound of the consonant first, which is a There's no vowel underneath, so it moves on to the next letter. It's the again. And you've got the A vowel underneath. So sound of the consonant, add to the sound of the vowel, it's the A vowel. So you get ma. So that would read as mama. And this one is the again. The A vowel underneath, ma, go to the next letter, which is the B, and the A vowel underneath, ma, ba. Right, so when you have a consonant that doesn't have a vowel, you can't read it separately. You have to blend it with the next consonant, which has a vowel. So, for instance, with this one, you do that, because it's the bet and it's the ba sound. So the sound of the consonant, which is ba, move to the next letter, which is the R, the Resh, and the A vowel underneath, bra. So you'd say it as one syllable, bra. So you've got to remember, guys, the number of vowels in a word is equal to the number of syllables. So if a word has 2 vowels, then it means it has 2 syllables. So I'll give another example of that. So this word, for instance, this is just a made up one now because we wouldn't have that M at the end of a word. So this one, I've got 2 vowels, so it's 2 syllables. So the way you'd read it is, look at the letter first, which is the the A vowel's underneath. Move straight to the next one, which is ma. That's what I would break it as 1, ma. Then to the next letter, which is M, and the A vowel underneath, ma, ma. So that's how it would be read. It wouldn't be ma, rama, it'd be ma, ma. And this is actually this word by you that we've already written, which is ma. In English, it means Mr. Right, so I wanted to have a go reading the following sounds in Hebrew. So have a go So this word would read as, so it's the Resh, so sound of the Resh is R. Vowel, that's the A vowel, R sound, that's final M. So that would read as ram. That's why it's important to learn both the mems. But the main mem is this one. And that could be found anywhere in a word, but it wouldn't be at the end of a word. Because if you need that sound at the end of a word, it would have the final form, which is the square one. Okay, so we'll have a go at connecting the following words. So we're going to match them up to his sounds. So these are just for practice a minute. Right. So I want to find, I'm going to match them up. So we want the sound Rama, Mala, Bala, and Raba. You can put the H on or you don't have to. Right, so we start with this one. So the first one is R, it's the Resh, the R vowel, Ra, that is the Bet, Ba, Raba. So that's the bottom one, so we match it. The next one is the Bet, so it's the B, A vowel, Ba, L, Lamed, L, the A vowel. Bala. Again, this one is look at the letter, it's the Resh. If you know a sound, you know it sounds with the R. Then you put the A vowel underneath, which is the R. So you add R to the, so you get a sound Ra. Straight to the next letter is the M, which is M. And the A vowel again, Rama. And the last one is the M. The vowel is the R again, Ma, Lamed, R. Mala. And you match it up. Right guys, so we've learned a new letter today. We've learned the letter M. And that's its final form. So if we learn them along with the other letters, it'll really help as we go along through these letters. But well done. You now know 4 consonants and 3 vowels. Lesson 5, you're going to look at a new consonant. You're going to look at the letter T, the tav. But if you want to just practice just writing the M, and just know when they sound like M. You know the mem is M sound, because it helps them when you learn the vowels underneath. And same as Lamed. Know its sound as well, the sound of the consonant. So learn its name, Lamed, but know its sound, M. It'll help, because it's all it is when reading Hebrew is knowing the letters. Once you know the letters, you know that's the mem. We've done it today, and it sounds as M, and adding the sound of the vowel to it. So we know that the M, with any of them underneath, any of them symbols, will all read as ma, ma, ma. Because we know all them symbols equal to A. All of them are the A vowel, but it's the A sound. And you just add, it's always consonant first. So the sound of the consonant, which is M, and you add it to the vowel. It's the A sound. Put them together, ma. And it's like that with every letter, and obviously we'll go through more of the vowels, but we're going through slowly, but keep going, and you'll all be reading in no time. I'll see you soon for the next lesson. Bye guys.